Oral-B Complete Advantage Deep Clean, Manual Toothbrushes, Mixed Colors Soft Small. With power tip bristles designed to reach deep and help clean hard to reach places, the Oral-B Complete Deep Clean Toothbrush removes significantly more plaque than a regular manual brush. It also features longer gum massaging bristles that gently clean and stimulate the gum line. Blue indicator bristles fade halfway so you know when to replace your brush. Oral-B Complete Fresh Scope Medium Bristles Toothbrush 2 Count. The Oral-B Complete Scope Toothbrush lets you experience the ultimate combination of clean and fresh. Its fear-destroying tongue and cheek cleaner removes bad breath germs and odor-causing bacteria. And when you use the brand more dentists use themselves worldwide, you can trust that you're getting cleanliness that delivers extra confidence. When the right forces merge, a spark is created that makes everything just a little bit more exciting, even brushing your teeth. Oral-B Complete Scope Toothbrush features a tongue and cheek cleaner that removes the odor-causing bacteria that can cause bad breath. Its multi-level bristles ensure a deep-reaching clean so you can face each day confidently. Oral-B's expertise in creating innovative toothbrushes and interdental products has made the brand a trusted favorite of families and dental professionals for generations. When Oral-B Complete Scope Toothbrush's tongue and cheek cleaner combined with multi-level bristles, sparks flew. This ultimate combination delivers a level of cleanliness that leaves you feeling confident. Oral-B manual toothbrushes have a long, proud history. They've been built in the United States for almost 65 years. Today, more than 90% of the Oral-B manual toothbrushes sold in the USA are built in the USA. Based on brushes sold annually, discover the ultimate combination of clean and fresh when you use the complete line of Scope products. Pair the Oral-B Complete Scope Toothbrush with Crest Complete Multi-Benefit Whitening Scope Outlast Toothpaste, Scope Outlast Mouthwash, and Oral-B Glide Scope Outlast Floss Picks. Discover a lasting confidence that encourages courage whenever the moment strikes. Discontinued Senwar Illugo Sonic Toothbrush Lavender. From the manufacturer Senwar Illugo Sonic Toothbrush designed for people on the go, the Illugo Sonic Toothbrush by Senwar provides a balance of fashion and oral hygiene packed into a mascara-style compact sonic toothbrush. Discreetly carry it in your purse, pocket, case, or bag while you work, travel or play. Those days of carrying around big bulky electric toothbrush or an unsanitary toothbrush in your bag are gone. The compact size allows you to travel with this toothbrush while still being stylish and fashionable wherever you are. Features: battery-powered sonic toothbrush on-off push-button activation, internal button designed for a stylish elegant look and to prevent accidental activation, approximately 23,000 brush strokes, min protective cap, prevent germs, duration, 90 days, weight, 0.88 oz, size, 16.2 x 1.85 cm, power, 1 AAA battery, required decibel, less than 55 dB, warranty, 1 year limited manufacturer warranty, return policy, used and unsealed products cannot be returned due to public health policies. Unopened and sealed products are eligible for full refund within 30 days of purchase. Defective item shall follow manufacturer warranty policy. Violip VS2T542 Purple Python Slim Sonic Toothbrush, Multi-Python. The Slim Sonic brings a whole new dimension to sonic toothbrushes, merging fashion, ease of use, and best of all, its slim size make it a perfect on-the-go companion. It's convenient and truly portable. Fashion meets functions with a great big healthy smile. Designed for the smart, on-the-go, fashion-forward woman who appreciates value and products that deliver what they promise. Slim is the first portable sonic toothbrush with a snap-on vented mascara-style cap. Simply press the button and 22,000 brush strokes per minute leave you with a clean, beautiful, and healthy smile. Slim Sonic comes styled in an array of fashionable finishes, so they can be discreetly displayed in style. Includes 2 brush heads and 1 AAA battery, making it ready to use right out of the package.